Okay, here we are. Channel just hit 500 subscribers. Now, what I'm going to do, I have an idea here. I want to get to 1,000 subscribers by July 4th. If you are a subscriber to the channel, if you watch my channel and you're not a subscriber, you might want to subscribe. Everybody who's subscribed on the channel by July 4th will be eligible to win a DJI Mavic Air 2. And this is no joke. This is no joke. This is a real drone, DJI Mavic Air 2. That's not a toy. These are very good drones. Look up the specs, ask people, watch a review. There's the girls, they're always part of the channel. You know how it is, I can't hardly get anything done without them being around. Back to me. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. The channel's gonna take a little bit of a different swing. I'm gonna start, I wish I had a daily vlog because my videos are big on production, they're big on editing. I add all these things to them. Sometimes I shoot video for a couple of weeks. Maybe it doesn't look like it, but I might shoot for a couple of weeks. I might set up lighting. I might do all this stuff to get a 20-minute video. Now, early on, my very first videos, they were very long. Some of them were hour long, had no production value at all. Videos were an hour long, they were just, you know, but I would like to get to a point where I don't need all that production. I'm gonna try to put out a daily video that's kind of like a vlog where I show you how to do something, how something in your house works, how something that could be useful to you in your everyday life. In order to get to that point, I would like to be able to live stream. You can't live stream on YouTube unless you have at least 1,000 subscribers and your channel is monetized. My channel's not monetized. I don't get a penny. I don't get one single penny for any of these videos that I make. I haven't received any. I've never had anybody even support me on Patreon. I've never received a penny for anything I've done. So I really need the channel to be monetized, at least to cover the cost of all my cameras and things. At least to try to recuperate maybe the cost of a flash drive or something, or a memory card. So in order to be monetized, I have to have 1,000 subscribers. We just made it to 500 subscribers. No, it doesn't sound like much, but I have eked that out one at a time. That has been really hard. I have a few videos that are, I don't know, 50,000 views plus. But it has taken me 2 years to get to 500, and I want to take this thing to the next level. If I could do live streams, I think it would really take this channel in a different direction. So, here's the deal. If you are a subscriber by July 4th of 2022, I'm on the holiday, I am going to give away that DJI Mavic Air 2. That's a good drone. It's not a toy. Look it up. So you'll want to be a subscriber. And I'm going to start doing short, quick videos with not a lot of editing. And I'm going to try to make some videos that may help you out every day or teach you something about something in your house. So there it is. Remember, they may do it another way, but that's the way I do it. We'll see you next time.
Okay, I'm going to have a link in the description to my new website. Check out my new website. It's pretty cool. It is growing. I'm going to be adding a lot of new things to the website. Check out the website. You can check me out on Patreon, and you can check out my other videos. Be sure and subscribe if you want to be a part of this drone giveaway. So there it is. We'll see you next time.